Welcome to our Mathcast on two-step equations. Our goal is to help you better understand the concepts at hand when you need it and at your own pace. We hope you enjoy this Mathcast on two-step equations.
Before starting on our problem, let's learn one important definition: equation.
An equation is a mathematical statement that two expressions are equal. In example 1 is 5x minus 1 plus x equals 11. The first thing you should do is see if there are more than one variable. So add 5x plus x, and you should get 6x. Remember, a variable with no number in front of it equals 1. So now you have a new problem, which would equal 6x minus 1 equals 11.
Now you need to do the inverse operation of minus 1, which would be addition. So now you would add 1 to 11. And add 1 to minus 1 to cancel out each other. Now your new problem is 6x equals 12.
Now you have to set up a division problem that looks like a fraction with the variable. So 6x over 6 equals 12 over 6. Now as you can see, 6x over 6, we'll have to cancel out because we want the variable by itself. Now 12 over 6. The fraction bar is actually division. So 6 divided by 12 would equal 2. So x equals 2.
The answer to example 1 is x equals 2.
In some instances, you will run into a verbal problem like example 2, which is 7 decreased by twice the number is 11. When doing a verbal problem, you need to look for key words such as decreased, which means we would subtract. Let's set up the problem.
Now that we know that 7 subtracted by twice a number, x, would equal to 11, we also need to know that twice a number would be 2 times a number, x, and that would look like 2x. And it is asking us to have 7 be subtracted by 2x. So our problem is 7 minus 2x equals 11. So like in example 1, you have to do the inverse operation, but because the non-variable number is the first in the problem, you have to do the same, which is subtracted. So 11 minus 7 equals 4.
Now we need to make another division problem that looks like a fraction. So 2x divided by 2 equals 4 over 2, which equals 2. The answer to example 2 is x equals 2. Example 3 is a story problem doing the basic steps that we have already done. The problem is a shoe store is having a sale and all shoes are half off the original price. You use a coupon for an additional $5 off the sale price so that you pay $70 for a pair of shoes. What is the original price of the shoes?
In story problems, as you may know, you need to look at the numbers in the paragraph. In this case, we have 5 and a 17. Next, you need to look at the words around it, such as additional or is. The final thing you must do is look for others words like half or double, and in the problem it is half.
Thank you. With these helpful hints, we can make a new problem which would be x divided by 2 minus 5 equals 17. Now it's just like example 1 and 2. So now we have to add 17 plus 5, which would equal 22. The new problem is x divided by 2 equals 22. 22 multiplied by 2 equals 44.
The answer to example 3 is x equals 44.
Thank you for listening to this Mathcast. Please feel free to listen and learn from other Mathcasts on this channel.
Thank you.